We need to learn from the best. Like, how exactly did you do it? What were the things that you did? What were the things we should not be doing? There are playbooks in the market that already exist, but most of them have come from one single lens. One person just woke up one day and wrote this certain playbook. So I know I have a weird name. My passport never came back with an A. That's why I'm called Shauri. It's supposed to be Shaurya, just in case you're wondering. But I'm going to start with a little story, if I have your permission.
Please.
So back in 1984, there was this guy who came up with this crazy idea about an energy drink. And this is when everyone was going gaga on soft drinks and all the colas of the world, right? And he didn't have much money with him to market the product. He could produce it, but he didn't have enough funds. So this guy would just go to this pub in Austria, and around 3:30 a.m., he would just crush the cans and put them outside. People would leave and they'll just start wondering, okay, what is this brand? We don't know about this. This is the first time we're hearing about this. Over this, he created scarcity. Like, that energy drink was available 60 kilometers outside of Vienna in Austria. That brand today is called Red Bull. And the reason I'm sharing this story is because that's how I've known marketing all my life. Marketing is supposed to inspire people. Unfortunately, young marketers like me, we've started going a lot towards clicks, if that's the right word to use. I think B2B or B2C, we want to tell stories, and that's why I've come here to request all of you, not as Value First, but as a marketer. We need help. You've been in the industry for ages. You've come up with campaigns such as Fevikwik, Fevicol, all the great campaigns that India has produced, right? We need to learn from the best. Like, how exactly did you do it? What were the things that you did? What were the things we should not be doing? Hence, the idea of this playbook came out. There are playbooks in the market that already exist, but most of them have come from one single lens. One person just woke up one day and wrote this certain playbook. We want multiple people sitting in this room, outside this room, to come help us create this playbook for marketers, as I said, like me, which can actually help us tell stories to the world in a better way than we do right now. The happy news that Vatsal just mentioned is the fact that Mr. Nitish Bajaj has very kindly agreed to chair this playbook. Mr. Nitish Bajaj is the CEO of Piramal Healthcare. He was with Seat Tires, did some amazing work in his earlier laptas. Yeah, my only humble request is please do participate. I think I don't have much time, but what we look from you is support and some time which can help us create this playbook in as better manner as possible. That's about it.